Hello, Larry Hawaii here with Larry H. Miller in Bountiful, Utah. This is your 2014 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road 4x4. Awesome looking truck, factory tinted windows, tow package. Check it out. It's got bed liner, Tacoma badging, TRD off-road. Check out the inside. Power windows and locks, automatic transmission, 4x4. Spacious back seat, side steps. For more information on this 2014 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road package, please call 801-808-6113. 801-808-6113 and ask for Larry Hawaii. Let's get behind the wheel and make a deal.